So here we are in Culver City. What a beautiful afternoon. Hopefully this lady sees I'm crossing. Does it run me over? All right, she almost ran me over, but it's good. All right, so my Singaporean friend told me to try something called Ayam Penyet. So this is a Singaporean restaurant right here, and let's give it a go. Hopefully they allow filming inside. Let's go over here. Let's give it a go. Wait, where is it? There's no, oh, there it is right there. Ayam Penyet. Wow, let's go in. My hands are full, it's okay. Hello. Table for one? Table for one? Yes, please. How's everything? Good? Alright. The indoors are out. Yeah, alright, we'll be good. Thank you so much. You guys have Ayam Penyet?
Yeah, we do. It's right here.
Okay. Oh, nice. Oh, awesome. Alrighty. Where is it? Ayam Penyet, right over there. Garlic chicken with spicy chili, relish, eggplant. All right, to my Singaporean friend, we'll finally give it a go, and it better be good. It better be spicy. All right, let's go. Yeah, I'll just get the Ayam Penyet.
Okay.
Yes, this one right over here. Give that a go. Yeah, that'll be
That's
it.
everything?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Hope is it good? Because a friend.
It's very popular.
Oh, awesome.
So it's got the eggplant chili garlic sauce on top. It's like pretty spicy. That's okay?
Oh, that's fine. Make it as spicy as it should be.
Alright, cool.
Yeah. But yeah, no, a friend suggested to me, so hopefully it's good.
Alright, wonderful.
Oh, do I keep the menu here or?
Yeah. Did you want anything to drink? Your water?
Oh, water's good. All right, thank you. Oh, very cool. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy. Let me know anything else.
Perfect. Thank you. There it is. Ayam Penyet. Alrighty, so this is the Ayam Penyet. Hopefully I'm saying it right. This is it right over here. Hopefully it's good. Looks good. So there's eggplant. Let me open up my utensil first. Okay. Let's go inspect this. So we got eggplant over here, chili sauce, and then we got the like a thin piece of chicken right here. Oh, it looks like a thigh. Over here. Looks good. Let's give it a go. Spoon and fork, the Filipino way, or I should say the Indonesian way. Try the chicken first. Try the protein first. There's like a hint of ginger and curry in the chicken. Just cucumber vinegar, or is it pickled or any some sort? Just a regular cucumber. We're good. Adds freshness to the chicken, I should say. Not too spicy also. More sweet than spicy. Should it be spicy or should it be sweet? With the fat, the chili sauce, and I think that's like a curry seasoning right there, or ginger. Who knows? Not overcooked. It's really good. Wow. I kind of wish it was a bit more spicy though. It's really super sweet, super duper sweet. I don't regularly eat with a fork and spoon. Like switching it like a GoPro. Let's see. Is this edible? It's a part of Indonesian cuisine to eat the flour. Let's have it with the eggplant. Here we go. You know, that actually tastes good. This is like a spinach. No, more like a... Yep, no, not spinach. I'm lost for words for vegetable. What vegetable it was. It's like a cross between bok choy and celery. That's what that flour tastes like. It looks like it's all thigh meat too. So this is another piece of thigh. No breast, so all dark meat. Like that. There you go. I saved the skin for last. No. Oh. Oh shoot, waterfall. That was bone. Oh well. How to finish the rice. I'm ready for the check. I know it didn't seem much, but that was a lot of food. That was like 2 chicken thighs. I'm ready for the check. I'm ready now for the check. Thank you so much. It was really good.
Wonderful, I'm glad to hear it.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
So you're gonna upload this?
Yeah. Let's see how much it costs. I'll be on Julius Cameron.
Julia?
Julius.
Julia.
Yeah.
And when are you gonna upload it?
Maybe as soon as I can. Yeah. Thank you. Foodie. No. Oh, $10. Okay. 29.16. There you go. Oh. Perfect. Thank you so much. Your good name?
Robert.
Robert, thank you so much.
so much.
It was great. It was good.
Thank you very much.
Very good. All right, that's it. We're good. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you, Robert. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Julius Cameron. Check it out.
Yeah, Julius Cameron. Thank you. All right. Overall, I thought that was good. Ooh. Let's go back to Culver City. Where will our next foodie adventure take us? And cut.